Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next class of the journals. Today I will discuss about the banking entries. Entries related to the bank. Now you may see here the first entry is if money deposit into bank with the amount of 20,000. I have already told you the date should be mentioned like 14th October. The amount 20,000 debit amount is when the account is debited bank account, that means the 20,000 should be in front of the uh, debit column. And now the two cash means that all the two items will be placed on the credit items in front of the credit items. The total of the both debit and credit should be equal, but I am focusing on the entries related with the particulars now. This is the format, and in the all the format you have to use the passing of the entries, but I am telling the rules of debit and credit, how to place the entries into the particulars column with the journal entry and how to write the narrations also. Like the first is the cash deposit into the bank on the 14th October with the amount of 20,000. So with when the money deposit into bank, money account is deposited. When I am talking here, the bank account is debited. I am talking about the one specific name of bank is maybe SBI Bank, maybe HDFC Bank. So which bank you have the account, this is referring to that account. The bank word is referring to, suppose I am taking the SBI Bank, it means that this is referring to SBI account is debited. It means increasing. When the bank account is increasing, it will remain on debit side. When bank account is decreasing, so that means will remain on credit side. It is a part of asset also. In the same manner, when the cash deposit into the bank, bank is a receiver, bank is a personal account, it is the bank is a receiver also, that will be debited. And to the cash account means the money is moving towards bank, cash is down, decreasing. So the both items are the part of asset. Bank is increasing and cash is decreasing. So one is debited with one name and the another is credited with the another name. And slightly in the column you may see the money deposited into bank. This is the short description of the cash deposit into bank. So the short description and the brief explanation is called as narration. The bracket column is called as narration. So the particulars attached with the journal entry as well as the narration, disclosure of the entry transaction. So the next is when it is deposited into the bank, bank is debited. But when it is withdrawn from the bank, the second entry, October 15, refers to money withdrawn from bank. Now the money is increasing in business, so the cash is debited and the giver is bank, so that means two bank account is there. Bank is a personal account, so that's why the when it is receiving, debited, when it is giving, that means credited. So now the bank is giving the cash to the business, so bank is credited. So now I am moving to the next is bank withdrawn from bank for the personal use. When the money is withdrawn for personal use, in any case, the drawings will be debited. The drawing word is referring to the personal use. So the personal use means it is a part of asset. Asset is increasing with the name of drawing. So the drawing is debited. So when it is to cash word is means withdrawn for personal use. But if it is from bank, you may have write down here to bank account. So please correct it. Now the drawings to cash, when the money withdrawn for personal use, then the entry will be drawings to cash. But when the drawings from bank for the personal use is there, so the drawings to bank account is there because the bank is decreasing. So you may have to see here the drawings to cash. It is not the entry related with the drawings from bank, but when it is from the bank, you may have to write down here drawings account debit to bank account. In any case, you may observe when the payment is to be done by the bank, any case, and then the bank will be credited. Now, the payment by check to a creditor called as creditor, name is Rakesh. So you may see here Rakesh is a receiver. So the Rakesh is debited because we have to reduce the creditor's account called as Rakesh. When the liability is reduced, it will be debited with the name of. So that's why Rakesh is debited because the liability is decreasing towards the supplier. And two, the payment by check. When it is payment by check, the bank account will reduce. Cash will not reduce, so the bank account will reduce. So that's why to bank account. So the payment made to creditors. Now next is the payment of any kind of expense if it is made by check. I'm saying if the simple word is payment made, rent paid, that means rent account debit to cash. When the rent is paid by check, then the rent account debit to bank. We don't have to change the rent because it is expense, either be paid through cash or through bank. But when it is through check, then to bank means the bank will reduce. So that's why to bank is to be listed. Rent is there, rent is the expense. When the payment has been done of the expense through check, so that's why to bank account is there. So when expense increase will be debited with the name of rent is there, and now the bank is the asset is decreasing now. Now next is the bank charges charged by bank. Bank charge any expense from your account, so that means the bank account is going down. So the name of the charges is bank charges, incidental charges. You may say the bank charges means loss for the person, loss for the business. So bank charges is a loss, is expense for the organization will be debited with the name of, and the bank is charging, so bank is moving down, so that's why the to bank account. So I think it is clear to everyone, when the payment is to be done in any case from the bank will be reduced. And now the next sentence I am moving to the related with the banking. The check received from Ram and not deposit into the bank same day. It may deposit into the any other day or not on the same 20th October. So when the dates are differ, first we have to pass the entry of receiving of check, then we have to pass the entry of the deposit into bank when it is deposited in any other day. So you may see here, when the check received from Ram and not deposit into the bank, we have to pass the entry of only the receiving of check. When the check is receiving, that means the check in hand will be debited, because the check in your hand, but the account you can't, till that when you are going to the bank to deposit it, the money cannot be withdrawn from the bank, but this is the part of the document in your hand. So the document name is the check in hand. The check in hand, in place of bank you have to write down the word check in hand account in case of receiving of any kind of check. 2, the giver person is Ram, so that's why the customer, you may say, the person is giving the name, so that means the person is giver. So check in hand account debit to Ram. So now when in any other day, like the 21st October is given, the same check is deposited into bank, then you have to pass the entries related with deposit into bank. Then bank will be increased with the name of bank account debit, and to check in hand. Now the check is moving towards bank, so it will be deleted from the accounts. When it is debit, account is to be deleted by putting to the credit. So bank account is now increased. So you may see, when it is received, then entry will be passed, check in hand account debit to Ram. When it is deposited into bank, then bank account debit to check in hand. There are the two entries when the dates are differ. But when the same check received and deposited into the bank on the same day, so then you may club the both entries, you may combine the both entries. You may see check in hand debited and credit will be deleted and deducted, and only the rest item is the bank to Ram will be placed here. It means check in hand you have to use only when the check is received and not deposit into bank, but when it is directly deposited into the bank, you may pass the combined entry of the both, like the bank account debit to Ram account. So I think this is the banking entries, and now I am moving to the next banking entries related with the interest charged by bank. When the interest charged by bank, it means again the account of the bank or businessman is reducing with the name of interest. So interest is a loss for the organization because bank is charging it. So the bank account is reducing. So the interest account debit, and then to bank accounts is reducing. So the interest is a loss for the organization, and the loss means expense rule is there, means the when it is loss is there, when expense is there, it will be on debit side. And bank is asset, it is a reducing, that's why it is on credit side. In the same manner, when the interest allowed by bank, when the interest allowed by bank account will be increased. When the bank account will be increased, bank will come to the debit side as asset increased. And now the two interest what is referring to, it is a gain for the organization. When it is a gain for the organization, it is called as revenue for the organization, and when revenue comes, it will be credited with the name of. And now the dividend received, the dividend received word is referring to bank is receiving, bank is increasing, bank account debits to dividend. And now I am moving to the next is the bank account debit to dividend, that is referring to bank account debit to the dividend word means dividend is earning. So bank is increasing as a asset and dividend is increasing as a revenue. And now Arun directly deposit into the bank. When Arun directly deposit into the bank means Arun is a giver. When Arun is a giver, it will place on the credit side to Arun. But bank is increasing, so that will it will be placed on the bank account. The increase as a asset. So I am moving to the overall entries, reviewing the entries. Like first is referring to the any case of the payment is there, any case of the payment is there, so that means you have to pass the two bank account, and then the debit item will be placed for which the payment has been given for the check. And now but when the check is received, again I am moving toward the 20 and 21 entry and 22, that when the payment is received through check, the check in hand will be debited if the payment check is not deposited to the bank same day. But if it is deposited into the same day into the bank, you can ignore the check in hand and directly the bank account can be debited. So I think these are the banking entry. And overall you may say when the bank increased, then it will be placed on the debit side, bank account debited, or if it is decreased, then two bank account will be placed. Thank you.